Many young people dream of becoming rich, but they rarely hear the honest truths behind real success. Most advice you receive is soft, sugar-coated, or unrealistic. Society teaches you to stay safe, follow the system, and avoid failure, but that path almost never leads to wealth. These truths may feel uncomfortable, but they reveal the real world that schools, parents, and friends never prepare you for. If you learn them early, you can avoid years of wasted time, bad decisions, and painful regrets that trap most people. Wealth is not just about money, it's about mindset, responsibility, patience, and discipline, things that must be built, not bought. Most people fail because they expect success to come fast, easy, or without sacrifice, but nothing truly valuable happens that way. The more honest you are with yourself, the more control you gain over your future and your financial destiny. These lessons can help you see opportunities others miss and avoid mistakes that keep people stuck their entire lives. Listen with an open mind. These truths can change how you think, how you act, and how you build your future. No one will save you. Waiting for someone to fix your life, a parent, a friend, a mentor, or even luck, is the fastest way to stay broke and powerless. The moment you expect others to solve your problems, you lose control over your future and become dependent on their choices. Taking full responsibility is hard, but it gives you complete power over your direction, your money, and your decisions. When you blame your situation on people or circumstances, you give them control over your level of success. Successful people don't wait for help, they take action even when resources, support, and confidence are limited. Responsibility creates strength. The more you handle, the more capable you become, and the faster you grow. You must learn to rely on your own effort, ideas, discipline, and resilience, not on other people's generosity. Once you stop expecting rescue and start acting independently, your progress becomes unstoppable. Remember, your dreams are yours alone, no one else is required to make them come true. School does not teach you how to get rich. Schools prepare you to follow instructions, meet deadlines, and fit into existing systems, but they don't teach freedom or wealth creation. You won't learn how to invest, start a business, build an audience, or create value, skills that actually generate wealth. The education system focuses on theories and facts, not on real-life financial survival or growth. Schools train you to find a job, not create jobs, solve market problems, or build something of your own. A degree may help you get hired, but it does not guarantee financial independence or protection from economic instability. Many wealthy people succeed because they learned outside of school, through experience, self-education, and practical risk-taking. Real financial knowledge comes from doing, selling, investing, creating, failing, improving, and trying again. You must teach yourself what school never will: money management, value creation, and personal growth. True wealth is a skill, and you must learn it on your own. Hard work alone is not enough. Many people work exhausting hours for decades, yet never escape financial struggle because effort without direction produces limited results. Hard work becomes meaningful only when it is focused on high-value skills, smart strategies, and scalable opportunities. Wealth grows when you use your skills, creativity, and time in ways that multiply your results, not just maintain them. Instead of asking, "How hard can I work?" ask, "What work creates the most value and opportunity?" Intelligent action, thoughtful planning, and constant learning outperform staying busy every single day. People who become wealthy use leverage, tools, systems, skills, networks, and technology to achieve more with less effort. You must choose work that has long-term payoff, not tasks that just keep you tired but financially stuck. Hard work has its place, but it must be paired with strategy, direction, and continuous improvement. True success is created by smart decisions, not endless grinding. Your friends can hold you back. Your environment shapes your ambitions. If you are surrounded by people with low goals, you will naturally adopt similar limits. Negative or unmotivated friends drain your energy and can slowly make you lose your passion for growth. People who fear change often discourage you from taking risks because your progress reminds them of their own inaction. Your habits, conversations, and expectations change based on the people you spend time with every day. Being around small thinkers turns you into a small thinker, even without noticing it. When you upgrade your circle, you upgrade your mindset, your confidence, and your opportunities. Even good friends can unintentionally hold you back when they are comfortable with average while you want more. You should surround yourself with people who support your dreams, not those who make you doubt them. Choose friends who inspire you to grow, not those who make you shrink. No one cares about your excuses. Excuses may feel comforting, but they stop your growth and prevent you from taking the actions needed to improve. People are focused on their own lives, they don't have time to worry about why you didn't accomplish something. The world rewards results, the things you actually do, not the reasons you didn't do them. Complaining keeps you stuck because it gives your problems power instead of giving you solutions. Successful people take responsibility even when life is unfair, difficult, or unpredictable. You cannot change your situation by explaining it, only actions and decisions make real change. Excuses give you temporary comfort but long-term regret and frustration. When you stop defending your limitations, you open yourself up to growth and new opportunities. Replace excuses with accountability, and your life will transform quickly. Money comes from value, not time. Trading time for money limits your earning ability because you have only 24 hours each day. The richest people earn from value, skills, ideas, products, services, things that can grow without depending on hours. You get paid more when you solve bigger problems or provide solutions people truly need. Learning rare, high-demand skills increases your value and gives you the ability to earn much more. Creating something once, like a business, product, or audience, can pay you repeatedly for years. Time-based income keeps you trapped, value-based income creates freedom, flexibility, and growth. Instead of asking, "How much will this job pay?" ask, "How much value can I create?" When you improve your skills, your market value rises, and money naturally follows. Focus on creating impact, not just putting in hours. That's how true wealth is built. You must take risks. Every major breakthrough in life requires taking risks, whether financial, emotional, or professional. Playing safe may protect you from failure, but it also protects you from success. Most people stay average because they fear the uncomfortable steps required to move forward. Risks become smaller when you educate yourself, prepare well, and act with intention. You grow faster when you try new things, explore new paths, and open yourself to new possibilities. Avoiding risk leads to regret, the painful feeling of, "What if I had tried?" later in life. Every failure teaches you something that improves your next attempt, making you stronger and smarter. Your dreams require courage. Fear will always exist, but you must act anyway. Wealth belongs to those who dare when others hesitate. You will fail many times. Failure is not a sign you are weak, it is proof that you are trying something meaningful and challenging. Every setback gives you information that success alone could never teach you. Most people quit after the first few failures because they misunderstand the process of growth. Failure forces you to adapt, improve, and strengthen your strategy for the next attempt. Successful people fail repeatedly but keep adjusting until something finally works. Every lesson learned through failure increases your chances of future success. When you push through failure instead of quitting, you build resilience that makes you unstoppable. Expect failure, embrace it, and use it to grow. It is part of your story, not the end of it. The biggest successes often come right after the hardest failures. Success takes longer than you expect. Success usually begins with slow, invisible progress that no one notices, not even you. People expect fast results, and when progress is slow, they assume nothing is happening. But growth takes time. Seeds grow underground before they break the surface. Most people quit during the silent phase, where they are doing the work but not yet seeing the reward. Those who stay consistent eventually experience rapid growth that looks sudden to others. Patience is a major advantage because most people don't have it. Small daily improvements compound into major results over months and years. The journey may start slow, but staying committed leads to breakthroughs. Success is a long-term game. Only those who remain consistent win. Your habits decide your future. What you do daily shapes your results far more than what you do occasionally. Good habits build discipline, focus, and clarity, essential for wealth and growth. Bad habits may feel good now but lead to long-term problems and lost opportunities. Motivation comes and goes, but habits keep you moving even when you don't feel inspired. Simple habits, reading, planning, learning, saving, build massive results over time. Consistency turns small actions into big achievements that others think are impossible. If you want a different future, you must change your daily actions starting today. Your habits create the person who creates the wealth.